This video will introduce the NetApp V-Series storage controller, and go over a non-disruptive operation use case. We will look at a system configuration, quickly create an aggregate from provisioned storage, present a NetApp LUN to a connected host, and demonstrate non-disruptive operation. But first, we will begin by describing the V-Series value proposition. When you install a NetApp V-Series in your data center, you can consolidate your heterogeneous storage systems. Third-party storage arrays, along with NetApp disks, are converted to a more efficient arrangement, and inefficient storage silos are removed. NetApp V-Series leverages the power of the Data on Tap operating system, and allows for an agile data infrastructure, infinite intelligent and immortal data, and multi-vendor storage support. Let's look at a basic V-Series system configuration. This is a standalone basic V-Series system configuration. In this simple fabric attachment, a single port pair accesses the array LUN group. There are multiple paths between the controller and the array. As seen in the table, Zone 1, on switch 1, contains one port pair, and Zone 2, on switch 2, contains another. In this example, we attach to an EMC storage array. We use the EMC manager to provision the storage, and create the array LUNs. In addition, storage groups are created, and the V-Series is seen as a connected host. Using the manager, the array LUNs are masked, and presented to the V-Series. We will now create an aggregate using the provisioned storage, and focus on the V-Series front end. This GUI interface is NetApp on Command System Manager. This system is running clustered Data on Tap 8.2. In the Array LUNs window, under the menu tree on the left, we select a few spare array LUNs from an attached EMC array. By clicking Create, to bring up the wizard, we type a name, and verify the options for the new aggregate. Then, we can see the creation of the aggregate in just a few seconds. Switching to the aggregate submenu, the newly created aggregate is listed, along with its operating state, and disk or LUN layout. Now that we have created an aggregate, we will create a NetApp LUN, and map it to a Windows host. On the left, we have previously created two V-servers. We navigate to the LUNs window, in the Storage submenu, under one of the V-servers. Clicking Create brings up the creation wizard. We type a name, and an optional description. We add VS1 to the LUN name to indicate the LUN is on V-server 1. We type iSCSI in the description, since in this example, the LUN will be mapped to a Windows host via iSCSI. We indicate the desired size for the LUN. In our case, we want to use 500 megabytes. We select an aggregate, which will hold the new flexible volume, and the new LUN. We map the LUN to an existing initiator group on the V-server. After following the wizard, the creation of the LUN happens in just a few seconds. Switching to the volume window, we see that the newly created volume is online, and our new LUN is ready for use. Now that we have mapped third-party storage to the V-Series, and presented a NetApp LUN, let's demonstrate a non-disruptive use case. This is an overview of non-disruptive operation. As you can see, the benefits include zero downtime for routine upgrades and replacements, seamless capacity and performance expansion, and rebalance performance or capacity for critical workloads. In addition, non-disruptive operation is transparent to all clients and applications. In this live demonstration, we explore our LUN like a local drive, and open a video file for viewing. As the video is playing, we want to move the back-end volume to a different aggregate. The video will have continuous playback, even though the data is being moved to different disks on the storage array. This happens transparently to the host, and only takes a few clicks. After refreshing the window a couple of times, the non-disruptive volume move is complete. Notice, the volume that was before in Agra New, is now in Agra Test. In this video, we went over the V-Series value proposition, and a V-Series system configuration. We presented a NetApp LUN from third-party storage, and demonstrated non-disruptive operation. For more information and other use cases, review the TR3461 V-Series best practices, and all of the technical content on the following websites. Thank you for watching.